Hi, magandang araw. Kumusta ka? I am Led, a licensed professional teacher from the Philippines. If you want to learn and speak Tagalog naturally and confidently, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you to understand not just only the language, but also the heart and culture behind every Tagalog word. In my lesson are fun, interactive, and easy to follow. Whether if you want to learn Tagalog for work, for travel, or maybe because you have Filipino family and friends, I'm here to help. I will guide you step by step, and together we'll build your confidence in speaking Tagalog fluently and naturally. So what are you waiting for? Tara na, mag-aral ka na ng Tagalog. Book your class with me and enjoy learning Tagalog. See you in my class!